Hello everyone, welcome back. In this episode of Cook with Him, we are going to prepare veg lollipop tossed in Szechuan sauce. The ingredients we are going to require for making this recipe: 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, green part of the spring onion, 1.5 tablespoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of all refined flour, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 7 to 8 soaked Kashmiri dry red chilies, 10 florets of cauliflower, 3 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Firstly, transfer the soaked Kashmiri red chilies into a blender and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and grind it into a smooth red chili paste. Before blending the red chilies, make sure you soak them in water for 2 to 3 hours. Then boil some water in a saucepan, adding some salt. Add cauliflower florets. Close the pan with a lid and cook for about 5 minutes until just cooked. With a slotted spoon, drain the excess of water from the cauliflower pieces and transfer it to a bowl. Now in a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of green chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of freshly grinded red chili paste, half a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon spring onion, half tablespoon chopped ginger, half tablespoon chopped green chilies, half a tablespoon of black pepper powder. Using a whisker, combine everything properly. Here, this mixture is going to be the marination for the blanched cauliflower pieces. And finally add the cauliflower florets into the mixing bowl and mix the cauliflower florets with the marination. And make sure the florets are properly coated with the mixture or the sauces. Now add 3 tablespoons of all refined flour. Also 2.5 tablespoons of corn flour. And coat every floret really well. All refined flour and corn flour will make the lollipops crispy. And it will also help to retain the juices or the sauces present in the lollipop. In case if you feel like the mixture is getting too dry, add some tablespoons of water and mix it well again. Also do check if all the pieces are evenly coated with the batter. Heat some oil in a cauldron. Once the oil gets hot, drop in the florets of cauliflower. Make the flame to medium and drop in each cauliflower floret. We just need to deep fry the florets until they turn crispier and reddish in color. Once done, remove them with a slotted spoon and transfer them to an absorbent paper. Also do the same with the rest of the florets and deep fry them until crispy and golden. And here, our veg crispy fried lollipops are ready. For Szechuan sauce, heat some oil in a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped chilies. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes or until the garlic and ginger slightly turns into golden. Then add 1 tablespoon of spring onion and saute well for a minute. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. Stir well. Also add 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce and saute everything well. And here goes in our main ingredient, that is red chili paste. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. And to the remaining paste, mix some water and add it to the pan. Stir well. Add some salt to taste. 1/4 tablespoon of sugar, Mix well and cook on a medium flame again till the sauce turns thick. And here our Szechuan sauce is ready. Transfer the fried lollipops into the sauce and give it a last toss or a stir. We want the fried lollipops to be covered or coated well with the sauce. Switch off the flame, we don't want to cook it further. And here, our veg lollipops tossed in Szechuan sauce are ready. Garnish some spring onions on the top and do give it a try at your home. You will surely love this recipe. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.